Alright, negatives, really easy. Negative 1 times a is going to equal what? Negative a. No problem. If we use actual numbers in there, negative 1 times 5 is what? It's negative 5. Okay, no problem. So let's add some more complexity. Negative a is what? Two negatives cancel each other out, so that's just a. If we put a number there, a real number there, negative 7 equals what? 7. No problem. How about negative a times b? Well, you can write that. You can do all kinds of things with it. You can move the negative inside, like so, or you can move both of the values inside, like so. Alright, so now you can put real numbers in here. We'll use 5 and 7. So, negative 5 times 7, you can put the negative inside, so now it's 5 times negative 7. Or you can put both numbers inside, keep the negative on the outside, 5 times 7. Right? Where else are we going to go with negatives? Negative a times negative b. What's that? It's just ab. Two negatives cancel each other, so it's just ab. Let's do a number with that. See, we'll do negative 4 times negative 3 equals 4 times 3. Couple more. How about negative a plus b? What's that going to be? Negative a minus b. You think of that as a negative 1 that you distribute through, right? So negative 1, think of it as negative 1 times the a, that's going to be negative a, and then negative 1 times the b is negative b. If we use some real numbers, about 3 and 5. What's that? Negative 3 and negative 5. Right? And this will be the last one. Negative a minus b equals, well, you can write this either b minus a, or you can write it negative, I'm going to write it down here, negative a, right, plus b. That looks goofy though. That's why they do it this way usually. They put the positive number in the front of the statement, but that's the associative power of real numbers and addition and multiplication. As long as you keep the signs, as long as you keep the signs in order, as long as you keep track that, oh yeah, it's a negative a, so you can put the negative a here in front and then plus b. It ends up being the same thing. Let's do an example of it. See, we'll do, how about negative 2 minus 3. That's going to be, well, if you did it one way, the way they like to do it, it's 3 minus 2, right? Or you could also write negative 2 plus 3. What's this equal? 1. What's this equal? 1. Works out the same. That's negatives. We're done with that.